In a world where wisdom spans centuries, we delve into responsibility for disciples through the prism of the wise Shifu from Kung Fu Panda. Imagine the weight on the shoulders of the guide, the master. How did Shifu face the challenges of nurturing and mentoring? What lessons can we extract? The truth is clear, the master's responsibility goes beyond teaching techniques. Embrace care, guidance, inspiration. Are we ready to face this load? This is the reflection that echoes between the lines of stories and in our own souls. Get ready for a journey of transformation. The role of the master as guide and mentor. In the fabric of Scripture, we find an echo of the importance of the master's role as guide and mentor. Just like Shifu in Kung Fu Panda, the biblical master is called not only to impart knowledge, but to guide, inspire, and shape the character of his disciples. This responsibility goes beyond teaching technical skills, embraces personal care, lived example, and shared wisdom. The importance of the relationship between master and disciple. The relationship between master and disciple is a common thread that permeates the biblical narratives and is vividly reflected in the dynamics between Shifu and his apprentices. It is a connection rooted in mutual trust, shared vulnerability, and a mutual commitment to growth. As the Bible teaches us, this relationship is fundamental to the spiritual and personal development of both parties. The responsibility to cultivate the potential of disciples. Just as Shifu realized the latent potential in the panda, biblical teachers are called to see beyond appearances and invest in their disciples' journey of growth. This involves not only teaching practical skills, but also nurturing talents, encouraging self-confidence, and opening paths for disciples to reach their full potential as God intended. The challenge of correcting and disciplining with love. Shifu faced the challenge of correcting and disciplining with love and wisdom, recognizing the importance of balancing firmness with compassion. Likewise, biblical teachers are called to correct and discipline disciples when necessary, but always with love and a restorative vision. This is a delicate process that requires spiritual discernment and a heart full of grace. Example as the most powerful form of teaching. Shifu's example, both in his words and actions, was a source of inspiration and instruction for his disciples. Likewise, biblical teachers are called to be living models of the path of faith, demonstrating love, humility, patience, and perseverance in all circumstances. For it is through example that the deepest truths of life are truly assimilated and internalized by disciples. The master's lasting legacy. At the end of his journey, Shifu left a lasting legacy for his disciples, a legacy of wisdom, courage, and love. Likewise, biblical teachers are called to leave a spiritual legacy for future generations, a legacy of unwavering faith, commitment to truth, and a love that transcends all barriers. Because it is through this legacy that the master's influence endures beyond time and space, shaping lives and transforming the world. If you like the content and want to help us continue, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment or suggestion about a book, film, series, anime that you want to see analyzed on the channel.